All right, new arrival, 1984 911 Carrera. As we know, 84, first year to the 3.2 Carreras. This is a California car originally, ordered with front and rear spoilers. Gorgeous car. Black is, as you know, will show any type of ding, scratch. And this thing is laser straight all the way around. Go around here too. It's a really nice original unmodified car. Still has the original H1 sugar scoop headlights. And it's all original paint except for the factory spoiler back here. The rear deck lid was painted at one point, just touched up, but everything else is original. And it shows really well in person because it only has 26,111 miles on it. Again, a very original car. It was ordered with full leather seats. So front and back of the seat is leather. The bolsters are in excellent condition. It does have a Porsche Classic radio, which is a common modification these days. But I do have, and it's included with the final sale, the original head unit. We'll get to there in a second. There you go. I've got all the books, the maintenance book, original window sticker, toolkit, all that's included with the final sale. Just a really clean 84 911 Carrera, front and rear spoilers, limited slip car with only 26,000 original miles.